Question number 16 is, if 7 to the power k is equal to 100, okay, what is the value of 7 to the power k by 2 plus 1? Okay, before solving this question, let's understand a property of exponents. 7 raised to the, suppose you have 7 times a times, okay, 7 to the power a times 7 to the power b. So here bases are same, right? 7 and 7. So powers will be added. 7 raised to power a plus b. This is a rule, right? And we can just use this rule in a opposite sequence too. Suppose you have power a plus b, you can just break it into 7 to the power a times 7 to the power b. You have to make sure, see in this here, 7 to the power a times 7 to the power b, 7 is written twice. So we just combine, 7 is written 1 and the powers are added. So if you see this kind of situation where two powers are added, you can break them into 7 to the first power times 7 to the second power. First I am going to do this. So 7 to the power k by 2 plus 1. Here I have plus sign. So that will be 7 to the power k by 2 times 7. Property first unit. Second property is, like here I have this k by 2. So I can write it as 1 by 2 times k. And 1 by 2, this rational power is always root 7 times k, right? So 7 to the power k by 2, first break it into product, and then this square root 1 by 2 power, you can write it as a square root sign and then k. So I'm just applying this here. So that will be square root of 7 to the power k times 7. Now in our question, it is given that 7 to the power k is equal to 100. So square root of 100 times 7. Now square root of 100 is 10. Let's elaborate it a little bit more. It's 10 squared times 7. So if I do 10 squared and this is the square root sign, so that square root sign is actually power 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 cancelled and we will be left with 2. So that is equal to 10 times, and this 7 is as it is. So 70 is our answer. So that means D is the correct option. I have made a separate playlist of exponents on my channel. You can see that, where you will see power of a power rule, negative exponents rule, right? And every rule is explained. One rule is explained in one series. So you can see that.